This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Tech with Nikhil. So today in this video I am going to teach you like what is Wireshark and its introduction and how it is work and their cheat sheet PDFs and images I will share with you, and you can also Google it. So this is the topic of our video. So basically I will tell you introduction, installation and setup, okay, and why it is used. So first talk about what is Wireshark. So before going to start, I am just requesting you to please complete my 600 till 600 subscribers. So I am taking this like a mark or up to mark goal for this next video. So we can say to complete 600 subscribers. So and I recently uploaded this video. Go and check out this video also, like how to create a antivirus for like unlimited subscription. So this also you can check every video. I will like include links on that description box, so you can check. And so now start the video. So I am using now Windows, so you can use Wireshark at any operating system, it doesn't matter. So you have to like just enter Wireshark and going to their official website wireshark.org, and here you see download button. So here you see for Mac, Windows and Linux also. It's by default we get in Kali Linux we get Wireshark. So here is my Kali Linux. In Kali Linux they already provide Wiresharks. So this is the Wireshark in my Kali Linux. So my voice would be low because I am recording this in my wired microphone. So I will purchasing in future. So if you have any recommendation like wired or Bluetooth microphones, so suggest me in comments. So now coming back to topic. So I already have installer in my Windows machine, so I am going to start that, or I will show in I am going to show in this, but I have in Windows. Let me show you. So this is the Wireshark. So now what is Wireshark? Now how Wireshark is used in the cyber security field? So mostly remind me later. So mostly Wireshark is used to track or capture the network packets. So how Wireshark is working now, I will show you like all. So first I select here Wi-Fi and trying to capture this. So I am getting the request packet here. So what is Wireshark is doing? We can do man in the middle attack using Wireshark. So Wireshark topic is more deep. So you need to understand or learn. You have to learn by like it will take your 1 week, 1 month. Like it depends on you. So in this video, I can't cover full Wireshark in one single video. If you want a more detailed video, so you can comment. But I will covering in this like 6 to 10 minutes. Let's see. But here is a Wireshark cheat sheet also, which I prefer. So in this cheat sheet, let me zoom. So in this cheat sheet, here it is showing everything, each and everything. Like this is start and stop icon, it is restart icon, and how you filter out the packets. So let me show you. So yeah, here you can see http.host name. You are filtering the packets, filtering by timestamp. You can using timestamp by filter frame time. So here is like a keyboard shortcuts, go forward, view, main toolbar menu. like navigation, how do you go through this. So I will give you this PDF link or this website link in the description box, so there you can refer it. So first I will try to capture some you can capture only HTTP only site there, because it's if you try to use it is this site, right? 0.webappsecurity.com. So it is only HTTP only. So when I try to capture this website packet, so it will show me in plain text. So suppose I enter here username and password. I don't know actually, but I enter it. So it is like showing me error because website is on HTTP only. It doesn't support HTTP. It doesn't have SSL or TLS certificate. So when I try to see here HTTP, so I have to check website name host http dot host. So here I will check, I have to check each and every packets that I captured. So here it is showing me something like signin.html. So here try to check. Yeah, so here it is my website that I used to log in, and I entered same username and password. So I checked here in plain text. Why I checked this? I get this plain text username and password because website is on HTTP only. So why banks and we safety precautions always says us like don't enter any credentials or sensitive info in HTTP only websites. So that's the main reason, like we have to check only if website is using HTTPS only or not. So basically HTTP only is a SSL certificate, so we can check example of it Wireshark.com. So that this is HTTPS secure, so we can check their TLS and SSL certificate by here. So we can say organization name, it is not a part of. So yeah, organization name is Google Trust Services. So they bought SSL certificate from Google, and common name is WE1 and issued on. So you can get it is issued on 9 November 2024. So it is recently issued, and it expires on 7 Feb 2025. So it basically like 3 months. So they are renewing keep in 3 months. So when it got expired, their website will be on HTTP. So there is a certificate and a public key, and it is using sharp 256 encryption. So there is a detailed methodology and concept in it. You have to self explore and learn it, but I am going to show you like this is the HTTPS website and this is not a HTTPS website. Yeah, it is saying by default not secure. So it is also browser is also recommending or like a precaution, give us precaution to us like you this connection, your connection is to this site is not secure, you should not enter any sensitive information to this site. But many people or non-IT people don't know about it. So we have to aware a cyber security as a cyber security professional or enthusiast. I have to aware you. So that's why main reason I am going to record this or take this sensitive topic or informative topic for this today's session. So I hope you like this video. Is if anything is more you want to learn, so I will give you a cheat sheet, or if you want any more detailed video in this topic, so I will create it. But I need to get some likes and responses and comments, so that's why I need support from you. So I hope you get my point. How do you filter out some things in Wireshark http.host? You have to just refer. Wireshark is not a difficult tool like Bubsuit. Bubsuit is also like a proxy tool that we used in cybersecurity domain. I will create a separate video on it. But first we will talking about Wireshark. So it is not that much difficult as compared to other tools, but you have to like consistent and focused about it. I hope you clear get my point. So it is used for only network and capturing purposes, so you can use it. And yeah, many people do, many attackers can do MITM attacks or man-in-the-middle attacks using Wireshark. But we have to own connected on same network. If I connected on my PG Wi-Fi network, so I have to ask some, for example my friends or colleagues like to check captures. So I have to check everything here which sites they are using, which something like which request getting. So I have to check each and everything here. So that's the thing. I hope you get my point, and if you like this video, thumbs up on this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share and promote it to your friends, family. So take care. So videos will be like I will post according to my time, so don't worry about it. And if you have any feedback queries, so kindly reach out to me if you face any problems. Yeah, you have all my social media links here. Any way you can contact me. And I am using cyber trick zone channel also, and this is my second YouTube channel also. You can subscribe it also. I will post content also there. So this is my second YouTube channel, so you can subscribe also. I use their same username. It is a community because it is community by me only. I have their GitHub pages also. So this is my GitHub, but in GitHub section you can follow me in GitHub also. So I created a cyber trick zone company page also on GitHub. So there are also 4 followers. I don't know who are they, but yeah. So I want to create a community like to cyber safe world and securing world together. So I hope you will support me. Thanks a lot. See you in next video. Take care.